Is math a fun? Yes, math is a great fun. We can enjoy it. Let us enjoy it together. Now, with the help of various tricks being taught in my branches, in my various lectures on integration, I am adding one more to this. Today, I shall be delivering you lecture on 9 square friends. Yes, these tricks are quite interesting. Now, one by one, we'll take up all those 9 tricks. So these are 9 integration tricks together, and I am naming them 9 square friends. Why the name 9 squares? Because these are formally based on squares. That is why the name is 9 square friends. These are the 9 squares, right? So these are very important formulae, and not only these are questions, they are used in various other applications of integrations. Now, we will discuss these 9 square friends one by one. Now, these are the one. I have, just to remove the confusion, I have named them बगैर सेरे वाला दूल्हा, सेरे वाला दूल्हा, घोड़ी पर चढ़ा हुआ दूल्हा. So, there are 3 of each type. Now, in the case of बगैर सेरे वाला दूल्हा, there is a reason to name is बगैर सेरे वाला दूल्हा. Look here, why the name बगैर सेरे वाला दूल्हा? Because in these 3 formulas, that is dx over x square minus a square, there is no square root. Dx over a square minus x square, there is no square root. Dx over a square plus x square, there is no square root. Now look here, all these 3 formulas, बगैर सेरे वाले दूल्हे, they are in squares. That is why I have, since these are 9 formulas, and they are our friends, because they will be quite useful in solving many questions, and they will also have certain applications in definite integral also. So let us start one by one. Now, out of these 3, you will find in each case answers of 2 will be in log, and third will always be in terms of inverse trigonometry. Now look here, the answer here is in terms of log, answer here is in terms of log, and answer here is in terms of tan inverse. Now in the second case, सेरे वाला दूल्हा. In case of सेरे वाला दूल्हा, why the name सेरे वाला is there? Because there are square root signs. Square root sign means sera. S stands for sera. So सेरे वाला दूल्हा means where the square roots are there. So in these 3 formulae, there are square roots. Now, out of the three, in each case, answers of 2 are in log, and third is always in terms of inverse trigo. Now, let us go to the last stage. After Sera, the Dula sits on the Ghodi. Now, this Ghodi par chada hua Dula, it means the Dula in this case, Sere wala Dula was in the denominator. Now it has come in the numerator. Upar chad gaya hai. So Ghodi par chada hua Dula. Dula same hai. Look here. Dula is same. Here it is without square root. Here it is without square root. And here it is with square root. Here it is with square root, but it has come in the numerator. Here it is in the denominator. Here it is without square root. बगैर शेरे वाला दूल्हा, शेरे वाला दूल्हा, घोड़ी पर चढ़ा हुआ दूल्हा. Now, this, why the name I have given like this? Because not only the students, many teachers also forget these formulas. So, to remember them exactly, I have linked them with the 3 stages at the time of marriage of a boy and a girl. So, in case of boy, first of all, he is not having any sera on his head. Now, look here. This is in terms of log. This is in terms of log. This is in terms of log. So these are all bagair sere wale dule. So out of these 3, 2 are in log. And what factors have to be written here? No, factorize it. One factor is x minus a, other factor is x plus a. Only remember this. And in case of this, it is a square minus x square. The factors are a plus x and a minus x. So in this case, since it is inverse of this, so these will be, numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator, and the factors have to be written only. So in this case, the factors are a plus x and a minus x. Now, in the third case, this is in terms of inverse. Now, why it is in terms of inverse? As we know that integration of 1 over 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. So here, if we put a equal to 1, it takes this shape takes this shape. So in this case, if a is 1, 1 over 1 means 1, tangent inverse x over a is 1, tangent inverse x. Now look here, it has become the same formula. So out of the 3, this is the one which is in terms of tan inverse. Other 2 are in log. Similarly, now this same dula will wear the sera. Now, as you know, as per our customs, whenever the sera is put on the bridegroom's expected would-be bridegroom, then people start giving garlands containing notes. Now, look here, same dula is there as here, but there is a sera here, Now this is in terms of log, this is in terms of log. So log, this x is noton ki mala, and same sere wala dula is there. So sere wala dula gets the noton ki mala. Okay. Now in this case, also look here. This sere wala dula gets noton ki mala after wearing the sera. So you have to remember it like this. Now the inverse trigonometrical portion is this one, because integration of 1 over under root 1 minus x square. Look here, it is sine inverse x plus c. So I have given this in explanation part. Now let us go to the third case, when Dula goes up on the Ghodi, and he climbs the Ghodi and becomes Ghodi par chada hua Dula. That is the last stage of the customs. Now look here, you have seen that in all cases, whether the Dula is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, anybody, in all cases, नाचने वाले, the guests are relatives of the Dula, they are always dancing, whether they know dance or not, because they are not expert dancers, so everybody is dancing to his tunes. So these are the नाचने वाले. So नाचने वाले आगे आगे, दूल्हा पीछे पीछे. Now दूल्हे के आगे भी there is somebody. This is a square by 2. ये तो बच्चा है जी. दूल्हे के आगे छोटे बच्चे बैठते हैं. So in this case, if a square is negative, you have to put negative. If it is positive, you have to put positive, a square by 2. Same दूल्हा नोटों की माला पहने हुए. You have to write here. Now in this case also, नाचने वाले आगे आगे, दूल्हा उसके बाद सबसे लास्ट में दूल्हा होता है. And there is a small boy sitting beside Dula, and it is a square by 2. Since it is plus, it is also of plus sign. Now let us go to the third stage. Here, these are नाचने वाले, and Dula now comes. Before that Dula, there is बच्चा है जी. So this नोटों की माला plus same Dula is there. So now what we notice, out of the three, two are in terms of log and one is in terms of inverse. Two are in terms of log, third one is in terms of inverse. Two are in terms of log, third is in terms of inverse. Two are in terms of log, third is in terms of inverse. So this is the picture, complete picture of these 9 formulas, which will be easy to remember if you go with the fun I have put into this lecture. So I have given the explanation here. In all cases, बगैर शेरे वाला दूल्हा, घोड़ी पर चढ़ा हुआ दूल्हा. बगैर शेरे वाला दूल्हा, why the name is there, why this name is there, why this name is there. This is given in this video. You can go through my videos and you will come to know what are the explanations and why the names have been given. बगैर शेरे वाला दूल्हा, शेरे वाला दूल्हा, घोड़े पर चढ़ा हुआ दूल्हा. all are of three types, out of which two are in terms of log, one is in terms of inverse. Two are in terms of log, one is in terms of inverse. Two are in terms of log, one is in terms of inverse. So all the steps I have told you as are being done as if there is a marriage going on of some boy. So I hope you might have enjoyed my session, and I will be giving you questions which will be based on these, and you will find them. The questions become very easy if you remember the formulas correctly. So lastly again I revise them. Out of all the three, two are in terms of log, one is in terms of inverse trigonometry. So I wish you all the best. Thank you. Keep watching my videos and subscribe and like them. They are definitely going to help you in solving the various questions. All the best. Thank you.